Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the luxury line with a luxury exterior and interior appearance. 17-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Panorama sunroof. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, comfort box for extra storage. Premium 3 package with active blind spot assists. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. LED logo which appears when you open the door. Illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel. Distronic Plus, heads up display. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, advanced parking assistance package with rear and front sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad for infotainment center. This E-Class has 25,566 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.